What's up guys? Nagapangita ba mo og coffee shop na maka nature? Don't worry, I got you. Well, I will recommend you the wooden coffee diri sa Magtuod Maa. This is actually my second time na mag-visit diri sa coffee shop. The place is very cozy, especially the outside. What I really like the most here is their staff kay very accommodating. And just to let you know guys, their business hours are 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. If you have plans to visit here guys, I would highly recommend na mag-taxi mo or you can ride pedicab. O if na may mga car, well that's good thing. You can actually bring your friends here, family, or even yung mong uyab if gusto mo mag-date sa isa sa pinaka-cozy nga coffee shop. Isa po sa pinaka-nice diri guys kay madungog ninyo ang huni sa mga birds. Tara, I'll tour you inside. The place is very relaxing. Aside from that, naapod sila art gallery sa sulod. You can also take pictures or videos, just don't touch anything. I can also suggest if you want to visit here, mas nindot ang hapon or gabi. They also have policy na if you want to see their art gallery, you should not bring food or drinks. Kana lang, thank you.